Do you know what you can do with the equity in your home? Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to dig deep into a topic that may have crossed your mind before. What can you actually do with the equity in your home? One of the top ways to utilize your home equity is by investing in your future. You can use the funds to start a new business, go back to school, or even explore real estate investment opportunities. Another popular option is using your home equity to finance home renovations or improvements. You can create your dream kitchen, upgrade your bathroom, or add that extra bedroom you've always wanted. If you're carrying multiple high-interest debts, using your home equity to consolidate them can be a smart move. By paying off those debts, you can reduce overall interest payments and simplify your monthly financial obligations. Having an emergency fund is crucial, and tapping into your home equity can be a way to build that financial safety net. If unexpected expenses arise, having funds readily available can provide peace of mind. So there you have it. The possibilities of what you can do with the equity in your home are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow me for more insightful content. And if you have any questions or experiences to share, leave a comment down below. Until next time.